Hello, Kipsters, and welcome to my house. I am so excited to begin this amazing study guide journey with you. It is going to be awesome. Your goal right now is to copy down everything I'm writing on my computer so that you are having a great example when you do your work. The first video we're going to do together is a fraction divided by a fraction. Let's get to work. 11/12 divided by 1/4. So when I check out this, 11/12 is the total because it's the first number, and then we're dividing it into 1/4. Now, we have three key steps when we're dividing fractions by fractions. Step number 1, CD, or find common denominators. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look at 12 and I'm going to look at 4. When I think about those two numbers, I want to figure out how I can make one of these look like the other. Well, I know that I can multiply 4 by 3 to make 12. Whatever I do to the bottom, I need to do to the top. We always want to do the same thing to the numerator and the denominator. 1/4 times 3/3 is the same thing as 3/12. Now I'm feeling pretty good because I have common denominators. Your paper should look just like my paper does right here. Now, I have 11/12 and I'm dividing it by 3/12 because 3/12 is equivalent to 1/4. The next thing we're going to do is divide the numerators. Our numerators are the numbers on top. So let me rewrite this. We have 11/12, and now we are dividing it by 3/12. Kipsters, you should be able to make your work look a lot nicer than mine. I know sometimes it's really hard for me to draw on my computer, so you should be making your work look even more beautiful. Now, right now we're going to divide the numerators. This is when we say sombrero. Now, I'm not as cool as a lot of you. I don't have a sombrero, but I have a nice, semi-cool little hat. So I'm going to do my little step like this. And we're going to divide those numerators. So I'm coming over here like this. I'm drawing my sombrero, drawing with that division sign, and going all the way around like this. This is saying 11 divided by 3. Now, I'm going to cross off my 12s. I don't need my 12s anymore because now we have the same size piece. We practiced this last week. When we have our numerator and this other numerator, we put this number on top. The first number is the first number on top. So this is 11 divided by 3. That's what that's basically saying. Step 3, though, is telling us that we need to write our quotient as a mixed number. So I actually need to do 11 divided by 3. Our first number, second number, first number, second number. When I write it like this, the first number actually goes inside the house. So it's 11 divided by 3. First number divided by second number, first number on top of the second number, first number inside the house divided by 3. This is asking us how many 3s can I take away from 11. So I'm going to count by 3s, 3, 6, 9. That means that I can take away 3. 3 times 3 is 9. When I subtract 11, take away 9 is 2. 2 is not enough for 3, so I can actually write this as a mixed number like it says right here. So I can make my answer 3 and 2, because that's a remainder. I want a 3, but I don't have a 3. 3 and 2/3. So that's my answer. I can actually check my work. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more makes 11. So what we can think about is it's kind of like counting by 3/12. 3/12, 6/12. 9/12, that'd be 3 groups of 3/12. And then 2 more would be 10, 11, 12. So my correct answer is 3 and 2/3. Right now, you guys are going to do problem A and problem B. You're going to fill in your answer when you get to those questions and fill it in on Edpuzzle. It's going to see how you did. Your goal is to master and be amazing. I know you guys got this. Please go be perfect.